Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss single bus bar arrangement system with sectionalization and without sectionalization arrangements. So first we shall see without sectionalization arrangement and then we shall proceed with the sectionalization arrangement. Single bus bar arrangement. So from the name itself it is giving some clarity that the bus bar is one in quantity and both the incoming line as well as the outgoing lines both are connected to the same bus bar. Suppose the incoming line may be 11 kV line which is connected to the bus bar through some isolators and circuit breakers, whereas the outgoing line is a step down levels of voltage which is of 400 volts for 3 phase AC system or 230 volts for single phase AC system, and this outgoing line is connected through isolator, circuit breaker and a step down transformer. So in the diagram there will be a clear view. If the line is having only circuit breaker and isolator, then that line can be treated as an incoming line, whereas the outgoing line consists of a step down transformer apart from isolator and circuit breaker. This type of arrangement is best suitable for DC substations as well as for a small range of AC substations. This system has a major drawback that if the bus bar is subjected to fault, then the electricity consumers, whoever are connected to that outgoing line, have to suffer with loss of supply. Okay, so this results in a loss of continuity of service of all feeders. So here in this slide I have shown the diagram where the outermost to the left as well as to the right the lines are ahead with only isolators and circuit breakers, and those lines are called as incoming lines connected to bus bar which is on the top, and in middle we have two outgoing lines which are represented with an isolator followed by circuit breaker and then a step down transformer. Meanwhile we have employed a lighting arrestor to give protection from lightning surges. So the major drawback of this bus bar arrangement is if the bus bar is subjected to any fault, then the consumers whoever are connected to that outgoing line are suffering with loss of supply. Coming on to merits of this system, each of the outgoing circuits require a single circuit breaker. So this is a cheapest one, simple in construction, maintenance cost is very low, bus bar potential can be self-employed for line relays. Coming on to the disadvantages, maintenance without interruption of supply is not at all possible. Expansion of substation without shutdown is also not possible. And another disadvantage is that loss of supply with failure of bus bar. So in order to overcome these drawbacks whichever are present in the case of single bus bar arrangement, now I shall proceed with a single bus bar arrangement with sectionalization. So in sectionalization we are going to make that the bus bar is going to have continuity of supply on the other feeders during maintenance or repair on one side of the bus bar. That is the entire customers whoever are connected to that both the bus bar both the outgoing lines will not suffer with loss of supply. When one consumer whoever are connected with one outgoing line are suffering with loss of supply, the other will be with supply, because only one part can be removed by doing sectionalization. So this can be done either in two sections or in three sections, but it is limited by short circuit current to be handled. Another advantage is that circuit breakers of low breaking capacity is sufficient when compared to the earlier case which is only single bus bar with sectionalization arrangement. In case of duplicate feeders, they are connected to different sections of the bus bar, so that in the event of a fault on one of the bus bar sections, the feeders connected to it are immediately transferred to the healthy bus bar section, and thus the faulty section is isolated. So here I am showing the single bus bar arrangement with sectionalization. The major difference or the only difference is the bus bar is also employed with two isolator switches which can be notified on the top of your bus bar, so that both the switches will be in closed position and both the incoming lines are closed with their switches, so that the bus bar is going to fed with 11 kV supply, and the step down transformers will step down the levels of voltages to the required level of distribution premises, and they are going to be supplied. Suppose if a fault takes place on the left side of your bus bar, then we can isolate the left side outgoing line as well as incoming line by opening the isolator switch provided onto the left side of circuit breaker, which is on the top of your bus bar, so that the 50% of consumers will suffer with loss of supply, whereas the consumers whoever are connected to the outgoing line which is on to the right side of your bus bar will have continuity of supply. In this way, the service continuity can be enhanced and the loss of supply to the consumers can be reduced. Over the merits, the operation of this system is as simple as the earlier case single bus bar arrangement system. Maintenance cost is a little bit comparable, but it is not very high because we are going to employ only two more number of isolator switches and one circuit breaker. For maintenance, only one half of bus bar is required to de-energize, so complete shutdown of bus bar is avoided. It is possible to utilize bus bar potential for line relays. Coming on to the demerits, in case of a fault on the bus bar, one half of section will be switched off, so only 50% will be shut down with supply. For regular maintenance also it is the same problem. For maintaining or repairing a circuit breaker, it is required to be isolated from the bus bar. So that's all about single bus bar arrangement with and without sectionalizations. So thank you one and all. If you are highly interested in my teaching passion, you can ask me the queries through chat box, or else you can mail me your queries. If you like this video, you please give a like and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for your patience hearing and spending valuable time.